Hey guys, it's Alyssa. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be testing out HelloMaphie's DIY projects. This is actually part 2 because I posted a video like this where I tested out some of her DIYs like 2 months ago, I want to say, and some of you guys requested to see a part 2, so I hope you enjoy. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you liked this video. Also, if you want me to test out any other YouTubers' DIYs, make sure to comment their channel name below. Also, if you guys are new, be sure to click that subscribe button down below. I upload new videos every Tuesday and Saturday, and I would love for you to join the family. And without further ado, let's get started. So the first DIY that I'm going to be testing out is a cat-shaped stress ball. So all you're going to need is a Sharpie, a heart-shaped balloon, and I got this in a pack of all of these balloons from Dollar Tree. I don't even know if this is like considered a heart shape. I'm not really sure. I mean, it kind of is, but it looks a little bit different than the one she used in her video. You're also going to need some flour. We're kind of running out, so that's why like it looks weird, but yeah, this is flour. And you're also going to need an empty water bottle. So the first step is to blow up the heart-shaped balloon, and then off camera I just poured some flour into an empty water bottle, and I forgot to mention that you should probably use a funnel to do so. I'm not entirely sure how much flour I'm going to need. I think this is more than enough. I filled up almost half of the water bottle with flour. Kind of looks like a bear to me, I don't know. So now I'm just going to twist this balloon and then place it on the water bottle. And now I'm just supposed to pour the flour. She said to place not too much flour. Hopefully that's enough. Now I'm just going to remove the balloon from the water bottle. Oops. And just let out some of the air so it's the same size as hers in the video. Ooh! Oh man. Yeah, okay, so I'm going to tie the balloon now. Oh my gosh, flour just got everywhere. I don't know if you guys could see that. Okay, so there we go. I feel like I didn't put enough flour because it just feels like a balloon. I'm just going to draw the cat's face now. It's not going to be the best because I'm not the best at drawing, but it's okay. So I would say that this DIY works. I just should have added more flour, like I said. But I do think this turned out really cute, and I'm not the best at drawing, and I still feel like this looks really cute. It definitely looks more like a bear to me. I guess it just depends on the shape of the balloon that you use. So the next DIY that I'm going to be testing out are ombre markers. So all you're going to need are some markers, of course, and you could use whatever color combinations you want. I'm just using this like pinkish, purple, magenta color, and also teal and green. And then you're going to need a piece of plastic and a piece of paper, of course, to test out the markers. So the first step is to color on the piece of plastic using 2 of your markers. So now I'm supposed to take another marker and then just take some of the ink from the plastic. Oh wow, it does work. This legitimately works. Look, it's from like blue to purple to pink. This works. Honestly, this is one of the coolest DIYs. So the next next DIY that I'm going to be testing out is snow Play-Doh. So all you're going to need is shaving cream, and you're also going to need cornstarch, some sort of container. I'm just using this glass cup to mix everything together, and I'm also using a popsicle stick to mix everything together. So the first step is to place some shaving cream into the container. So now I'm going to take some cornstarch. She said to just place a little bit. Yeah, I'm going to place some more cornstarch in there because it's still like really slimy. It's supposed to be, you know, more firm like Play-Doh. I feel like this is a good consistency now. I'm just gonna kind of take it out of the jar. I think I put too much cornstarch. It's all crumbly. What did I do wrong? I'm gonna try this again because this didn't really work. Like, this is not Play-Doh. Alright, take two. Let's try this again because the first time I failed. I think I added too much cornstarch. There we go. I'm just gonna mix it together because there's some cornstarch on the bottom of the container. I definitely need to add more cornstarch. I'm just gonna take this out and place it on this plate and just mix it together with my hands because that's what she did in the video and it seemed to have helped. This needs more cornstarch. I thought this would be a good idea. This is going back into the container and I'm going to add more cornstarch. So I don't know. Personally, I don't really think this works. It's like way too crumbly. So if you guys know a way to not make it as crumbly, then let me know because the more I touch it, the more pieces are coming off. So next I'm going to be testing out a science experiment, and all you're going to need is water, but you're just going to place it on a plate. So I have my plate right here, and then you're also going to need some glitter and dish soap. So apparently when you place the glitter on the water, you're going to take some soap on your finger and then press it on the glitter, and apparently the glitter is going to move, which is really cool. So I'm just going to pour some glitter. She says not to pour too much. And now, moment of truth. Whoa. That is so cool. My reaction, I was like, because it was like magic. Like, I didn't expect the glitter to move that quickly. Okay, obviously this works. I'm sorry that the close-up footage of the last science experiment was a little out of focus. I'm sorry. So the last DIY that I'm going to be testing out is another science experiment, and all you're going to need is a paper plate, and you're also going to need some hot water, and you will also need some Skittles. So all I'm going to do is place some Skittles on the paper plate and then add water. Since the water is hot, the colors from the Skittles will mix together and it'll look really cool, almost like tie-dye, so I'm really excited to try this out. So I have all of my Skittles on the plate. I'm just going to pour some hot water. This is kind of gonna make a mess. Look at all of the colors. So they're coming into the center and I think it looks really cool. This is working. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe if you are new. I love you guys so, so much. I hope you have an amazing day. And before I leave, be sure to comment below your answer to the question of the day, which is, what is your favorite candy? I know that's super random, so just comment below your answer. I will reply to your guys' comments. I just think this is a great way to interact with you guys.